In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Steam game download location and install path. If you're running out of space on your current drive, or you simply want your games installed somewhere else, Steam makes it pretty easy to change the location it uses for new downloads. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can update your install path without any confusion. Start by opening Steam on your computer. Once Steam is open, look to the top left corner of the window. Click Steam and then choose Settings. This will open the main settings panel where Steam lets you manage things like downloads, storage, and library locations. Inside Settings, select Storage. This is the section where Steam shows your current library folders and the drives available for game installations. If you've never changed this before, you'll likely only see your current default location listed here. Next, click Add Drive or the plus button if that's what appears in your version of Steam. This option allows you to tell Steam where you want another game library to be stored. It's useful if you want to install games on a larger hard drive, a faster SSD, or just a different folder for better organization. After that, choose an existing Steam library folder, or create a new one on another drive. If you already have a Steam library set up somewhere else, you can simply select it. If not, create a new folder in the location you want to use. Make sure you choose a drive with enough free space for future game downloads, especially if you install large titles regularly. Once the new library appears in the list, click the three-dot menu next to the library you want to use. This menu gives you extra options for managing that specific storage location. From there, select Make Default. This is the key step that changes your default install path. After you do this, Steam will treat that folder as the main location for future game downloads. Going forward, new games will now be installed to the default library, unless you choose a different one during installation. That means Steam will automatically use the new path you selected, but you still have the flexibility to pick another library manually whenever you install a game. And that's it. By updating your default Steam library, you can better manage storage space and keep your game installs where you want them.